Welcome to all on Sethi. In today's session of Integral Calculus, topic discussed will be partial fraction, different types of partial fractions, integration by partial fractions, which are applicable for CBSE State Board, JEE Mains, CUET and other entrance examinations. Concepts are being cleared using this illustration, right? Now, question is x square plus x plus 1, x square plus 1 plus x plus 2. This is the type quadratic is in the numerator, quadratic and linear equation. Quadratic and linear equation. Right? Now, first requirement is power of numerator should be less than power of denominator. If it is correct, then we can go further. Yes. Power of numerator is 2, power of denominator is 3 on multiplication. Therefore, we can go ahead. No long division is required. No long division is there. Okay. Next, this is a quadratic equation. Is it possible to factorize? No. Is it possible to factorize? No. If yes, make it factorize and concept of 1 over linear will be used. Concept of 1 will be very, very careful. Right? Next. Now, the question is x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1. Power of numerator is less than denominator. This can be written as a upon x plus 2 plus, if it is a quadratic, the linear will be there, bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1, this comes out to be a x square plus 1 plus bx plus c x plus 2. Now, ax square plus a plus bx square plus bx plus cx plus 2c. We group it. This comes out to be a plus b x square plus b plus c x plus 2c plus a. 2c plus a x square plus x plus 1. Comparing coefficients of both sides. Comparing coefficients of both sides. So, this is a plus b. A plus b equal to 1. A plus b equal to 1. B plus c. B plus c comes to 1. B plus c equal to 1. And c, 2c plus a also 1. On simplification, first add all the three equations, then find a, b and c. A comes out to be 3 by 5, b comes out to be 1 by 5 and c comes out to be 2 by 5. Right? Now, the question now reduces to, that was a. A is 3 by 5. 1 upon x plus 2. 1 upon x plus 2 dx. Plus b 1 by 5x plus c 2 by 5 upon x square plus 1. the given expression reduces like this. This is applicable 1 over linear. Answer is log of linear divided by the coefficient of that. In this case, answer will be 3 by 5 log of x plus 2. 1 over linear of the type ax plus b. So 1 by a log of linear. So this is the answer of this one. Then plus 1 by 5 x plus x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Differentiation of this is 2x. 2 into 1 by 2. This becomes of the type f dash x upon fx. So this comes out to be plus 1 by 10 log of x square plus 1 plus. Next, in this case, plus 2 by 5 integration of 1 over x square plus 1 dx. So this is the simple formula 2 by 5, 1 over a is 1, tan of inverse x upon a, that is x, plus c. So this is the completer. One is this answer, one is this answer, one is this answer. This question was using the three formulas. 1 over linear integration, 1 upon coefficient of x into log of x. This is f dash x upon fx, answer is log of f. इसमें क्या था? 2 was not there. 2 से multiply हुआ, make the difference exactly that. Then f dash x upon f. In this direct form now, tan of inverse x वाला formula. This is the complete answer. Now I will discuss certain things also. If the question is of linear, only linear. So this can be written there. A upon linear 1 plus B upon linear 1, 2 plus C upon linear 3. Make the comparison, find the value of A, answer will be log of this, log of this, log of this. So initially I have discussed. Linear non-repeated. Linear 1 over linear L1, L2 whole square. So 1 over A over L1 plus B over L2 plus C over L3 whole square. In this case, make the coefficient comparison. And linear upon linear, this I have discussed here. This is all types of partial fractions I have discussed here. Essential conditions, I will again repeating. Be very careful. Confusing questions are given to you generally. Power of numerator should be less than denominator. If it is not so, make it less. Then quadratic question, check. If factorization is possible, make it linear. If you will not make it, the answer will be wrong. So make it factorization, right? Next. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Learn, and like this video, please subscribe and share, press our channel and press our icon to receive updates on concept clearing through illustrations. Right? Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत धन्यवाद.